Hi guys, it's me again, Wanida, and today I would like to show you 5 major tips and tricks on how to always achieve perfect results when using LaserDiag NoCut and BePaper Pro. But before we start, I would like to tell you more about the new BePaper Pro. BePaper Pro was developed to achieve the best quality you can get for laser transfer. The main advantages are more stretchability, higher wash resistance, and vibrant color reproduction. So let's jump right into our tips and tricks. Tip 1. Never start pressing before your heat press has not reached the required temperature yet. It is essential that the entire press is heated through and the bottom platen is also warmed up. Tip 2. Test your heat press settings. If you don't have a heat press that shows you exactly what values you're using, you need to test your printouts. Tip 3. Check your printout before the mirroring process. You can create several transfers from an A3 and test them one after the other before you start your production. Tip 4. Always work with the heat that comes from the heat press, meaning don't remove the media and don't be too slow when separating A and B. Tip 5. Get a feeling for the media and the peeling process. Be careful within the process and know when you can let the media unroll itself at the end. I hope you find these 5 tips and tricks helpful. Please sign up for our White Toner Academies and we will support you with more helpful expert insights. If you like this video, please subscribe and we'd love for you to comment what you would like to see next. See you soon. Bye.